A long time ago, a simple man asked a question: Who am I? And with that one question began an eternal path, the path we now know as Hinduism or Sanatan Dharma. This path wasn't created by one person. It didn't begin with one book. It was born from experience, from realization, a truth where God is not seen, but felt. It is a way where the divine lives within you, in your actions, in your thoughts, and in every particle that makes up this universe. Here, there is not just one God, but many forms of the same divine power. Some worship Shiva, some Krishna, some Durga, but all are different reflections of the one ultimate energy. This Dharma teaches us, do good and you'll find peace. Do wrong and life will teach you. Because here, karma is destiny. And this life, it's not the end. It's just a stop along the way. Every birth is a chance to finally attain moksha, where the soul never returns to this cycle again. This path doesn't guide with fear, but with wisdom and love. It says, every path leads to God as long as your heart is true. There is no compulsion here, no strict rule. You may go to a temple or simply meditate in silence. God is with you because God is you. So if you're looking for a path, not just a religion, but a way of living, then Hinduism is calling you to a journey that doesn't go outward, but leads deep within.